Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, click the button down there. I can produce more helpful videos to solve some of your issues. Anyway, in this video, going to be taking out the glove box on an Audi A3 and the heater blower. We're going to be checking the fuses and try and find out what our problem is. So we're going to get into the video now. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I hope this helps. So glove box out, we're going to check the fuses, drop the heater blower out. If you need to know how to do all that, then watch the video, stay tuned, and we'll get into it now. I'm going to just pop this off. If you've got no screwdriver, just use the key. Comes off nice and easily. And we want to find the blower fuse, so you come down to here. If it starts moving around, you'll move down, and it'll say blower, 40 amp, so 22. Okay, so then you move down to your diagram, which is here at the bottom, and we want 22, which is this one here. 22. So from the top, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 fuse down on the very end. So we come in here, can't get the door open anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the end. This 40 amp, this orange 40 amp, we'll check that fuse. Use the key again. And pop her up. Right, we've got to find the fuse. Right, we fished out our fuse, and that's fine. 40 amp, orange one. So we'll put that back in. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the end. Right, so we now know our fuse, spot on. We'll pull the glove box now and check the blower or the motor. So pull this cover off, and in there, up here, there's a screw or bolt you take out. I believe that's an 8mm. Open the glove box, and there should be 3. Oh, the top one there, one there, and one on the end. So we'll take them out now. With those 3's out, we're now gonna attack that one. That's just right at the back. So that one next. And if you come underneath the glove box, you'll see one here and one on the other side. So you look down, down underneath now. So one there and one there. That should be it. So once you've took those 2 out, it should drop. You've obviously got this piece in here. Is it connected?
Okay. There we go. Okay. It does come free with a little wiggle. So this is, up here's the blower motor. I'm going to pull it out because the car's been sitting, I think it's stiff. But that's the glove box out. We've checked the fuse, so we'll check this now. Alright, so in order to remove this, there's a clip here. I think you need to pull it down and the whole thing twists out. So I don't have my tripod right now. So I'm just gonna pull this and twist it, okay? Well, that clip literally just touched it and it snapped off. But there's our blower, and I mean, that's stiff. So there's the problem. It's not broken, it's just really stiff from not being used. So what I'm gonna do is free it up. Here we go. That's it, I might even go and get a bit of WD. Right, I'm gonna free that up. In fact, I think I am going to go get some WD, give it a quick squirt, and put it back in. Okay, still currently not working, although I've freed it off a little bit, so we're going to... Is that fan speed? Yeah, so... We've got going on. Well, I suppose it matters, but... We're going to try and... I can feel it wants to turn. It's like sprung loaded. I'm going to have to cut all that out. I'm going to keep... Oh. Come on. All right. What are you doing? Weird shit's happening. Auto. There we go. Back on. Yeah, baby. I didn't put any WD-40 on there. I mean, literally just got stuck. But... Right. We'll get it back together. I think I will put some WD-40 on that, but we'll get it back together. Right, so that's a nice easy fix. If your car's been sitting around or whatever and it hasn't worked, or you try to do this first before going out ordering parts, buying parts you don't need, just pull it apart, because you're going to have to pull it apart when you eventually go to replace this. So check the fuse first, pull the fan out, and check it, just see if it's stuck, like mine. And then a little bit of WD-40 on that, put it all back together, and we have a blower. Because I was driving a car, and you can't see out the windscreen, you know, unless that blower's working. So it's not just keeping your feet warm, it's you really need that bit working. All right, let's get it back together. All right, What I have done personally is put that middle one in first, and then I'm going to go underneath. Do the middle ones, do the underneath ones, do everything loosely. That's back in then.
Well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope this helped you out. Quite an easy fix with that Audi, because the car had been sitting, so it just got quite stiff. So I hope this helps you out. I think on the next video on the Audi, I think we can do an engine mount. So hopefully you might come back for that. But if not, if you are subscribed to the channel or been watching the Ross and Ford videos, then that video will be coming soon. Decided that I am going to recover the car down to a place where where I can get the work done. So that video is coming. So hopefully catch you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you again in the next one. Cheers guys.